Welcome to Flash English, your English channel where you learn fast and easy. Today you'll learn 40 sea animals in English. Stay until the end and test your memory. Share this video with a friend, like if you enjoy learning English, and subscribe for more. Let's start. Dolphin. Dolphin.
Dolphin is a smart marine mammal. Dolphin. Dolphin.
Shark. Shark.
Shark is a large ocean predator. Shark. Shark.
Whale. Whale.
Whale is the largest animal in the ocean. Whale. Whale.
Octopus. Octopus.
Octopus has 8 arms. Octopus. Octopus.
Squid. Squid.
Squid swims very fast. Squid. Squid.
Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish has long tentacles. Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
Sea turtle. Sea turtle.
Sea turtle lives in the ocean. Sea turtle. Sea turtle.
Seal. Seal.
Seal is a playful marine mammal. Seal. Seal.
Sea lion. Sea lion.
Sea lion has strong flippers. Sea lion. Sea lion.
Walrus. Walrus.
Walrus has long tusks. Walrus. Walrus.
Crab. Crab.
Crab has 2 powerful claws. Crab. Crab.
Lobster. Lobster.
Lobster is a large shellfish. Lobster. Lobster.
Shrimp. Shrimp.
Shrimp is a small seafood animal. Shrimp. Shrimp.
Seahorse. Seahorse.
Seahorse looks like a tiny horse. Seahorse. Seahorse.
Starfish. Starfish.
Starfish has 5 arms. Starfish. Starfish.
Sea urchin. Sea urchin.
Sea urchin is covered with spines. Sea urchin. Sea urchin.
Coral. Coral.
Coral forms beautiful reefs. Coral. Coral.
Clam. Clam.
Clam has 2 shells. Clam. Clam.
Oyster. Oyster.
Oyster can produce pearls. Oyster. Oyster.
Mussel. Mussel.
Mussel is a popular shellfish. Mussel. Mussel.
Scallop. Scallop.
Scallop has a fan-shaped shell. Scallop. Scallop.
Stingray. Stingray.
Stingray is a flat ocean fish. Stingray. Stingray.
Eel. Eel.
Eel has a long body. Eel. Eel.
Swordfish. Swordfish.
Swordfish has a long pointed bill. Swordfish. Swordfish.
Tuna. Tuna.
Tuna is a fast swimmer. Tuna. Tuna.
Salmon. Salmon.
Salmon swims upstream. Salmon. Salmon.
Clownfish. Clownfish.
Clownfish lives among sea anemones. Clownfish. Clownfish.
Pufferfish. Pufferfish.
Pufferfish inflates to protect itself. Pufferfish. Pufferfish.
Angelfish. Angelfish.
Angelfish is colorful. Angelfish. Angelfish.
Blue tang. Blue tang.
Blue tang is bright blue. Blue tang. Blue tang.
Manta ray. Manta ray.
Manta ray is huge and graceful. Manta ray. Manta ray.
Orca. Orca.
Orca is a powerful marine mammal. Orca. Orca.
Narwhal. Narwhal.
Narwhal has a long tusk. Narwhal. Narwhal.
Manatee. Manatee.
Manatee is gentle. Manatee. Manatee.
Sea otter. Sea otter.
Sea otter uses tools to eat. Sea otter. Sea otter.
Penguin. Penguin.
Penguin is an excellent swimmer. Penguin. Penguin.
Sea snake. Sea snake.
Sea snake lives in the ocean. Sea snake. Sea snake.
Sea cucumber. Sea cucumber.
Sea cucumber has a soft body. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumber.
Barnacle. Barnacle.
Barnacle sticks to rocks. Barnacle. Barnacle.
Sponge. Sponge.
Sponge is one of the simplest sea animals. Sponge. Sponge.
Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit the hype button, subscribe for more. See you in the next video.